Well, the people who made the AP World History course structured it around 6 themes. Some teachers use these 3-letter acronyms to refer to each theme, but your teacher might use a different set of words or a mnemonic device like spice tea or pieces, but they're all talking about the same 6 themes.
Without a tool like themes, history kind of looks like just a bunch of different dates and names. Organizing past events into themes helps us group different events together so we can tell what changed and what stayed the same. That helps us make comparisons and connections between different regions and time periods.
We know that the AP exam can be stressful, but learning the themes will make the exam a lot easier. Lots of AP exam questions reference the themes. Some questions are obvious about it, but some are downright sneaky. So you need to learn the themes, and you need to practice decoding exam questions to figure out which theme or themes they're asking about.
Think of the themes as 6 different threads that run through the course, connecting different parts of human history. As you read articles and watch videos in this course, you should keep pulling on these threads, uncovering new linkages.